This video is sponsored by WisToyz. Look guys, today we have this DIY assembling engineer car. On this video, we'll be building an excavator, but there's many other choices. We have a bulldozer, a mixer, a roller. Let's begin. Alright, we have all the parts laid out.
Wow!
And here's an assembling guide. Now let's name our parts. We have 6 screws, a screwdriver, these are the tracks, the house, here we have the cab, and the dipper. Alright, let's begin with the cab. We'll place these two right on top of this and tighten these screws. It's very easy. Next, we will start building the house. We'll place the house right here. Snap on the top. We will need a screw. Place it here and tighten it with our screwdriver. Very easily done. This part will go right here. This is what it should look like so far. Now it's time for the tracks. We'll place this one right here. For this one, we will need 2 screws on each side. One here and one over here. We tighten it up. And it's all set to go. Now, the other side. We'll do the same. 1, 2 screws. Okay guys, our last part is the dipper. We'll place it right there. We add our last screw and we do the same. Tighten it up. And it's all done. Look at how cool it is. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed building this excavator with me. This is a fun educational toy for kids. I'll see you next time. Bye!